I'm sure you've heard the news. Jellyfish have no brain and no heart. Sounds impossible until you see how they do it. No brain? No problem. Jellyfish use a diffuse nerve net and tiny sensory hubs called ropalia to sense light, to sense gravity, to sense food, coordinating swimming without central command. No heart? Also fine. They circulate oxygen and nutrients through a hollow gastrovascular cavity and rely on direct diffusion across thin tissues. Movement is powered by muscle-like cells that contract the bell in rhythmic pulses, basically a built-in piston. Hunting? Those famous tentacles are lined with nematocytes. Nematocytes are one-touch stingers. They immobilize prey instantly. Bonus. Many jellyfish regenerate or even revert to younger stages, making them masters of survival with extreme simplicity. Tiny body, huge survival tricks. That's the jellyfish magic.